run. 42,000 feet, not going to cut off really quick. Dragon, we're going to get some views into their system to see if they can get it into the goal. 42,000 feet, off the long stretch, getting it done by 2 points. With 40 seconds left, we've got some green for you. We're taking 10 seconds to the goal. 35 seconds left for the Mouse Drivers. The last rep being knocked off. These green rush strikers release 2 units. 2,000 feet trying to get a full park. We come down to the last 15 seconds. Let's see green clear out the zone. Dragons with a full park. Crazy Creepers jumping as well. 5 seconds.